Hello guys, so this is the second part of the business of campaign in the hiking gears. So let's continue what we start. So you can change the site size. Here you can customize the site size section. So for example, you can edit the fonts. You can switch the fonts back. So you can choose one of these fonts here if you like to change any font you like it. The headings. So you can change the family and the weight, the style, the line height and the letter spacing, the text transform, the size. So that's as you like. Also the paragraphs and the buttons. You can reset the fonts back from here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. Also the colors, you can customize your themes here if you want. You can choose any theme you like here. Edit the theme, change you make here affect all sections that use this theme. So you can change the header, the color theme of the site title and the navigation links, the site wide. That's it. The animations, you can set the style, the animation style, any style you like. And the speed, you can customize here the speed. So that's it. The spacing, you can reset the styles to defaults. The buttons, and that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So you can add item here. You can go to the link editor and to customize here, manage the link editor section. You can go to the design. Now let's move on to the design and change the wave intensity, change the text size, the speed, and you can post on hover, fade edges, the item spacing. Now that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So you have to delete this image first, add another one. So add another one here. Select from library and go to the free image search. You can change the search if you wanna type anything on the search you're looking for. So campaign and hiking gears. So the background, you can select just a simple art on the background. Just like this. The text here also, you can change the paragraph like this. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section here. Can first delete this image, add another one here. So I'm going to choose this. This is the second one, camping and hiking gears. So okay, this I'm gonna choose this. That's it. Now let's move on to the background. Just a simple art from here, like this. Now let's move on. Also here, just a simple art. You can also change the colors. You can customize the colors here if you want, any color you like it. So here instead of adding an image, you can add, for example, a map, like this. You can edit it here and add the address and the business name, the city and the state and the code, the country, the design of the map, originally or satellite. That's it. Now after this, add just a simple background, a simple art on the background, so like this. That's it. So this is the last section. You can add just a simple art as the same thing here we did here. So here you can change the location and the hours, the contact. So these ticks here, you can change them if you want. So that's it. Now if you're done from designing your website, you can save this and exit from here and go to the selling section. Now you have to add the way to get paid, add the products to your inventory. So go to the selling, and here add the way to get to your inventory and customize the price, and add the name of your products and the image, and here add the way to get paid. After this, choose the subscription plan, and the last step is go live and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for campaign and hiking gears business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.